This is a Rambo MacGyver video, and I am Rambo MacGyver. Alright, I'm going to be redoing this video. I'm going to show you the tit spikes that I came up with when I was homeless in Virginia during Hurricane Michael back in 2018. So anyway, I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I came up with when I was homeless during that hurricane, so you guys can kind of see how I made shit. This has 3 spots on it for ropes and other tie downs. This one has 3 spots on it for tie downs. This one also has 3 spots on it. These are all light hardwood. So what that means is they're hardwood, but they're extremely light. So this is also has 3 spots on it. This one has more done to it than the other ones. So these are the rebar tent spikes that I used kind of when I was homeless. I didn't use these exact ones, but these are basically a replica of the homemade tent spikes. I have all sorts of different sizes of them. That's the nice thing. So yeah, that's the kind of the cool trick with building your own tarp and tent spikes. I'm actually gonna eventually redo some of these spots on the. This one doesn't have the notches cut in it yet. I may do a video showing you how I cut the notches. I might do it this weekend. I don't know. These are the sidewalk construction spikes. These, and I found these actually in a field, not too far from the place I'm staying. So these are those, and these again, these are a replica of the ones I did in Virginia. But the ones I did in Virginia didn't have the notches. That's where these, and well, the wood ones had the notches, but the rebar did not have the notches, because I didn't have access to the tools that I have access to now. So that's the reason why these ones have notches. The ones in Hampton when I was homeless there during Hurricane Michael. So yeah, that's how these came about. I have a buddy of mine that told a buddy of his, in fact he told one of his co-workers, and the co-worker found out about him and asked me, telling me he would be one of the first ones to buy some of these tarp and tent spikes. When the idea came about, especially when he realized, yeah, I have a really cool invention style. So anyway, that's a little bit about the tent tarp spikes that I came up with when I was homeless. These I would also use. These back sidewalk spikes. I use these for trip wires mostly. So, except for what you want to do is you want to like take all the pink off of them and you want to do flat black. So, which will bring them in, or you can do brown, which is of course the color of dirt, so you don't, so they're not spotted as easily. And it's really easy to do them. So anyway, if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Please watch the videos, like the videos, share the videos, then please subscribe to my channel. God bless, be safe. I'll talk to you soon.